Hello, my name is Anthony, and you're welcome to EasyTax. As the name implies, EasyTax is a platform geared towards simplifying the process of tax payment for people in Ogun State. And today, we'll be looking at registration with Ogun State Internal Revenue Service. Registration with Ogun State Internal Revenue Service is easy and it's an online process. Although we have multiple ways to get this done. Although, should I say multiple ways? Yeah, let me use it that way. Multiple ways to get this done, and I'll make sure I show you the best way, the one that works all the time. Because there are times that some people will say they want to get into the platform, is not working, we couldn't log in, and so on. Although there could be network issues, though, but trust me, this method works 95% of the time. So I'll advise that we go into any browser of our choice. It could be Chrome, it could be any browser. It all works fine. So all you need to do is just type in the search button ogirs.com. ogirs.com. Although you can easily you can easily just type ogitax.ogunstate.gov.ng, ogitax.ogunstate.gov.ng, and I'll show you where it leads us. All of them leads to the same place, but this one, if that ogitax is not working, usually I don't know how it happens, but this one works. So when you get here, look at this. Just follow the cursor here. You can see home, you can see about us, taxes, info, and so on and so forth. But this is what we're interested in for now, which is self-service. You can try here, but just let's do it this way. That's why I said there are so many ways to get this done. So come to self-service, click on it, and it brings you here. Like I mentioned earlier, if you go to ogitax.ogunstate.gov.ng, it brings you directly here, but sometimes the link doesn't work. That's why I just prefer to go through the long route. It's still the same process. So, as a taxpayer, we have individual taxpayers and we have corporate taxpayers. If you want to register a firm, a school, a company of some sort, a corporate organization, you come to corporate. If you want to register individual, Mr. Kazim wants to pay tax, yes, like you want to pay for your direct assessment and so on. So individual is where you go, but for this process of registration are the same. So we're coming into corporate, although on the corporate too, and same thing as the individual too, we have register as a corporate and we have validate account. Okay, if you have if you're a new taxpayer completely, like you've never registered with us at any point, you don't have a tax identification number before now, you register as corporate. This is for fresh. But if you have seen before, all you need to do is just click on validate account. When you click on validate account, the thing that you have before, just validate it here. It takes you to a column where you fill your RC number, email address, and so on. So by the time you fill all of that and go into that particular platform, it sends your login details into your email address so you can be able to access our platform same way. But today we'll be doing for new and fresh people. So if you're fresh and you click on that page, this is where it leads us. You have to register your company name, for example, Easy Tax. Sorry, thought I was typing already. Okay, Easy Tax. Okay, let's assume Easy Tax is the name of your company. Okay, what is your RC number? My RC number, though I'll have to blur that later. So this is the RC number. Then my email address. So you just type your email address here, but let me just copy mine from somewhere. Let me just copy. So your email address, then sorry, your email address, then here is your address. Number one, Adeniyi Sholaja Street, Ogijo. Okay, and the phone number should be put, should be, so that's the phone number. Then here you have to pick a tax station that is very close to you, and the reason you have to do that is if you have any problems, if you have, so they'll be the ones to attend to you. So just pick the tax station that is close to you. So from the address you could see our address is in Ogijo, so we have Ogijo tax office here. So pick Ogijo tax office, then I submit. So if there's anything wrong with any of my credentials that I've typed here, it won't go through. But because my credentials are solid, you can see registration successful. Check your email for login credentials, which means it is successful. So then all you need to just do is go to your email address, I mean your email. So let me go into mine now. Okay, I already have my email opened, so let me refresh, let me see if I've gotten that. Sometimes it takes a while for you to get the login details. So come to your inbox. Yeah, this one is very quick. So just immediately I already have my email address. This is the password that is given to me by Ogun State Internal Revenue Service, although I can change it to something personal. So this is my tax identification number. That's why I said that's a byproduct of your registration. So this is my tax identification number, the time of registration, and so on and so forth. So for us to be able to log in into our platform now, so for us to be able to log in into our platform, so what we're going to now, you've seen, yeah. So to log in into the platform after registration, on the right hand corner, upper corner, as you can see the cursor, you see a sign in. Yes, just click on that. Then here, boom, we have so you type your email address, the one you use. Then don't forget that you've been given a password by the agency, so just copy or just put your password here. Then yeah, this happens 95% of the time. When you try the first time that it doesn't, don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. It happens 95% of the time. So by the time you input the credentials the second time, sorry, sorry about that. So by the time you input the credentials the second time, I can assure you that everything will be fixed. So let me just copy the where is it again, the password that was given to me by the board. Yes, voila, here we are. We're already in the platform. But the good part is, when we're being given, we're given a default password. So we have to change it, to customize it to whatever it is we want. And the first one is current password, which is the one they gave us. Then I'll now customize it to something that suits me, the one that I will not forget. Okay, so I have to duplicate that, although you must have capital letter and so on and so forth, but you figure it out. So, oh, the password does not match. Means, okay, caps lock is on. So let me do this again. So should work now. I don't know. It's not supposed to be this. So so let's say what's wrong. Please enter your current password and ensure the new password is at least 10. Okay. At least 10 characters, must have uppercase, have number, so on and so forth. So I guess that was the problem. So I'll start with the uppercase now. So so yes, you can see it matches now. So by the time I should be fine now. So all I need to do now is just sign in again with my email address. It logs out. So by the time I log in properly, you should be able to log in into my account. So that way, I'll be rest assured that I have an account with Ogun State Internal Revenue Service. So that's the process of registration. It's very easy and very straightforward. No stress, no stress. So if you have any problem with any of the steps, you can just watch the video for as long as you get it right. So should log me in now. Yes. So this is a platform in which I have just registered. You can see the name, the details, and everything is there. So now we have to fix this before going forward. Now you can see the state, Castina state, which is not true. So I have to keep pick the right state. This is Shagam local government. Okay. Oh, picked Gombe again. And okay, now Shagam local government. Good. So all of this. So which city? Ogijo. So what is my business type? All of this has to be properly filled before we can say we have a complete registration. So let me see a particular category that fits into what I do. And this is going to be the platform in which I'll be using to explain how to file your returns, how to file your monthly returns, PU returns, annual returns, whatsoever returns. Then we'll go to the individual. I'll make sure this tutorial is consistent so that by the time you want to get anything done as regards tax, even everybody will automatically be a consultant, so you can even save money. You don't need to employ anybody to get the job done for you. So, yeah, that fits into the category. So, when is my registration done? So, let me pick a date. Today is my day of registration. So, let me just update my profile. So, my profile has been updated, and now I can go in. Yeah, it logged me out again. All I need to just do is just to relog in, and officially I have an account with Ogun State Internal Revenue Service. I don't know why the network is like this. Like I've said earlier, it happens some of the time. So just try to reload. I guess this is my network. So let's go about it again. Can you see that? So if you just, aside from the registration, by the time you click the self-service, you want to, there's a login here. So click on login. Okay. I already have my email and all stuff selected. No, this is wrong. Okay. I didn't save my password earlier. So I already updated my account. Yes, I said it to do this. I don't know why it's like that. I think that's a bug the board needs to fix. So until then, that is what we'll still deal with. So by the time I log in now, I should have access to my platform. So good. So that's going to be the end. If you do the same for your individual registration too, it still gives you the same result. So there's no point going through. Just watch the procedure, and thank you very much. But please, if you have any question, if you have anything whatsoever that you want me to address as usual of tax and all of that that you want me to make video, just drop it in the comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that by the time I upload any videos, like the year is even running to an end, by January we'll be filing returns. All of this I'll do on this channel so that we'll be able to follow it step by step. And there are some AI tool that could simplify all of these processes, which all of this I will be teaching on this platform. Thank you very much. God bless you.